Falls. You probably can't see because the light is screwed up. But that's Niagara Falls behind us. We are a third of the way around the horseshoe. I'll put a Google map overlay up to show you exactly where we are. So we're almost at the base of the falls. It's really cool. I got the 11-foot selfie stick for the 360 camera. Was able to actually stick it right out of the falls. Should be cool looking video. Stick around.
Now, it's been a few years since we've been in Niagara and done a journey behind the falls. They've done a lot of renovations to the attraction. As you can see, we're waiting for the elevator here. There's this really interesting map that shows the erosion of the falls over the last couple thousand years and then gets detailed over the last couple hundred. Now, when you get off the elevator down in the tunnel, they've added some really neat blue LEDs to help your eyes adjust downstairs. I will say it does seem to mess with the camera. You can see that weird black line scrolling across the screen. And in case anybody is curious, I did ask upstairs before we went down about sticking the GoPro out into the stream through the portal on the selfie stick, and nobody had a problem with it.